What is luck? Getting caught in the rain when you forget your umbrella is bad luck. But to win $10 million among thousands of contestants is luck. It's a 0.1% chance. And yet it happens. But now I will tell you about an event that may have surprised even luck itself, a phenomenon that still remains a mystery to science: life. In the entire vast universe, we know of only one place where it originated: Earth. It's not just rare. It's like winning a lottery that nobody should have won in the first place. A mathematical impossibility that somehow happened. Water, atmosphere, magnetic field, photosynthesis, and even Jupiter, whose gravity pulls away dangerous asteroids. Too many things worked, right? Too perfect. How long would it last? And what do I do if my luck runs out? The man who asked himself this question in earnest, not as a theoretical problem, but as an engineering challenge, was Elon Musk. Because life on Earth is held together by a million conditions. From the distance from the sun, to the stability of the atmosphere, from vulnerability to asteroids, to the possibility of nuclear war. And all of them, by and large, are beyond our control. He realized we're playing on a field that has no substitute. And if something goes wrong, there might be no second chance. That's why for him, colonizing Mars stopped being science fiction and became a top priority. This is where it all began. SpaceX wasn't created for a business, and definitely not for show. It was an attempt to build a Plan B, in case Plan A fails. From the very beginning, the goal wasn't just to launch satellites. It was to create a system capable of sending humans to Mars, reliably, repeatedly, at scale. That required solutions that simply didn't exist yet. Reusable rockets, super heavy launch vehicles, full-cycle manufacturing, autonomous spacecraft. All of it under constant pressure from deadlines, budgets, and failures. Falcon 1, 3 failed launches in a row. By the 4th attempt, there was almost no money left. But the rocket lifted off, and with it, the entire idea took flight. Then came Falcon 9, Dragon, crewed launches, and finally, Starship, the biggest and most powerful rocket humanity has ever built. A project designed for one purpose: to carry fragile life from one planet to another. But even if it works, it raises a question that can't be answered with rockets or billions. Is escape really the same as salvation? Mars is not a second Earth. Its temperature is like Antarctica in winter, -80. The atmosphere is almost entirely carbon dioxide. The pressure is 170 times lower than on Earth. And on the surface, radiation that no ozone layer can protect you from. Yes, there is water on Mars, locked in ice, beneath the dusty surface, but we'll have to extract it, purify it, store it. Every sip will come at the end of a long, fragile chain of engineering. All of this is possible, but maybe before we search for a new planet, we should finally try to understand what's happening to the one we're already living on. We want to go to another planet, but we haven't even figured out our own. We've learned to launch satellites, but not to live without war. We build rockets, but can't build a decent society. We dream of Mars, while millions on Earth lack clean water. Elon Musk is looking for a way out, but maybe the way out isn't to escape, but to understand. Because if we don't change, we'll just bring all our problems with us. To Mars, to the Moon, even Alpha Centauri, and everything will start all over again. We already know how to fly. Now we need to figure out why.